Can you add big numbers? What is 23 plus 35? Is it 40? Is it 50? Let's learn a new skill today, two-digit addition. Hello everyone, welcome back to our math lesson. Today we will learn two-digit addition. We will add numbers with tens and ones. And today our addition is very easy. It is called addition without carrying. Let's begin.
Count and write.
Look at the candies. In the first plate, we have 12 candies. In the second plate, we have 13 candies. Now we put the candies together. So we write 12 plus 13. Let's count all the candies. There are 25 candies, so we say 12 plus 13 is 25. Now let's learn how to add step by step.
Look, listen and repeat. Do 23 plus 35.
3 plus 5 is 8.
2 plus 3 is 5.
23 plus 35 is 58.
Look at the numbers. 23 plus 35. We will add the numbers in two steps. Step 1. Add the ones. First, add the ones. 3 plus 5 is 8. Step 2. Add the tens. Now add the tens. 2 plus 3 is 5. So the answer is 23 plus 35 is 58. 23 plus 35 is 58. Look carefully. The ones are 3 and 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 is less than 10, so we do not need to carry. This is called addition without carrying. Remember this rule. Add the ones first, then add the tens. Great! Now let's practice.
1. Listen and number.
Listen carefully. Write the correct number.
Number 1.
16 plus 82 is 98.
Number 2.
46 plus 31 is 77.
Number 3.
35 plus 14 is 49.
Number 4.
21 plus 61 is 82.
Very good. Now let's add the numbers.
2. Add and say.
1. 45 plus 23. Add the ones. 5 plus 3 is 8. Add the tens. 4 plus 2 is 6. So the answer is 45 plus 23 is 68. 45 plus 23 is 68. 2. 14 plus 25. Add the ones. 4 plus 5 is 9. Add the tens. 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer is 14 plus 25 is 39. 14 plus 25 is 39. 3. 32 plus 63. Add the ones. 2 plus 3 is 5. Add the tens. 3 plus 6 is 9. So the answer is 32 plus 63 is 95. 32 plus 63 is 95. Remember the rule. Add the ones first, then add the tens. If the ones are less than 10, we do not carry.
Add and take bananas.
Look at the monkey race. The monkeys want bananas. But first, we must solve the addition. 15 plus 23. Add the ones. 5 plus 3 is 8. Add the tens. 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer is 38. The monkey moves forward. Next problem. 13 plus 25. 3 plus 5 is 8. 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer is 38. Great. 53 plus 16. 3 plus 6 is 9. 5 plus 1 is 6. So the answer is 69. 52 plus 16. 2 plus 6 is 8. 5 plus 1 is 6. So the answer is 68. 35 plus 23. 5 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. So the answer is 58. 26 plus 41. 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 plus 4 is 6. So the answer is 67. 53 plus 16. 3 plus 6 is 9. 5 plus 1 is 6. So the answer is 69. 21 plus 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is 36. Now the monkey has bananas. Excellent work today. Today we learned two-digit addition. And we learned a special rule. Addition without carrying. Add the ones first, then add the tens. Keep practicing. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.